Hello, my friends, and welcome to another edition of FusionTradingLive.com, training for the serious investor. Okay, we're going to go over our trade of that euro dollar 15-minute chart trade that we had. Now, it went. Here's our chart here. You can see it says euro dollar 15-minute chart. It had broke long. When it broke long, we had our buy here. We placed our stop here. It came back. Almost hit the stop, came back up, looked like it was going to be successful, and then came back down and stopped us out. No big deal. Okay, stopped us out, we lost 1%. Now, it came back up, went to another range. So all we did was put the buy back on again, right here at the same area. Put the stop at the same area right here. You can see all these lines here. So it pretty much had on the same trade all over again. Sometimes we have to do that. Sometimes when a trade doesn't work, if it doesn't work, you got to learn to say forget it, move on to the next trade, and sometimes that next trade is the same trade. So now we're back in on the same trade. Okay, in the trade moved up, came backwards, moved back up again. Okay, now at this point right here, after it moves back up again, what I like to do is you see this yellow line 100 moving average. You can see it says right there. What I like to do is move my stop underneath that. So you can see that it's kind of bouncing off of that 100 moving average. Okay, and it's came up, and then this was the end of the day Friday, and then it gapped up today, which is actually Sunday, March 28th. It gapped up today. Now it's coming back against us, and now it's coming back up. All right, so now this is going to be our stop. So I'm just going to turn it red. Stop is I use the same as the stop light. Green means go, yellow means caution, red means stop, either for exit strategy or for our stop down here. So all I'm going to do is move up my stop below the 100 moving average. As you can see, it bounced again and it's coming back up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move up my stop to slightly above break even. And the reason why I'm going to do that is because of the pip spread. Now, I'm not going to move it up any higher. I could move it up here, but that's crowding our trade too much. I don't want to crowd the trade. You need to give your trade enough room to run. If you're not giving your trade enough room to run, then you're really being too scared with your trade, and you're trading with scared money, and you're not going to be successful. Okay, so I just moved up my stop to break even. Once you get your stop up to break even, you have all your risk is gone off of the table. That's the best thing to do. Once you get your risk off the table, the only thing that can be had is break even or profit. Um, and that's pretty much all you can expect to do as a trader if you want to be a successful trader. Okay, so stops move to break even. Now I'm just going to let the trade run. If it comes back against me, which we'll find out tomorrow when I wake up, if it comes back against me in the middle of the night, no problem. I'm out of the trade. Break even. Who cares? Move on to the next one. You notice I say who cares a lot, or forget it. If I lose, who cares? If I break even, who cares? Even if I win, who cares? Move on to the next one. If you don't have that attitude, you're not going to be able to be successful. Um, these simple tricks and these simple mind adjustment, attitude adjustments are going to be what's going to make you successful. And we go over them over and over and over and over again live like this with our students. Okay, so now I'm just going to let the trade go. Once it gets up to here, if it starts to bounce back, I might take profits halfway. I'll probably move my stop up somewhere around here. And if it keeps on going further, great. If it comes back against me, great. I'll take my profit. Now notice I said if it goes further, great. If it comes back against me, I'll take my profit. The reason being is because I don't ever close out of my trade and say, okay, I'm closing out of the trade. The reason being is because that's not flowing with the market. What I have to do is let the market decide what it wants to do. If it wants to come back, okay, I'm stopped out. If it wants to keep going, great. I always just move my stop that way. All right. Well, I hope that was helpful. I know it was because that those lessons that I just taught you in this video, watch it over and over again, are worth millions of dollars, and I can't believe I'm giving away all this information for free. But like I said, I don't really mind because what I'm really offering you here is the ability to talk to me live just like this, or be able to chat with me live just like this, get your questions answered in real time. You don't just get the DVDs, you also get live instruction with me 4 times a week, and you actually get a trade with me. And not only that, but you actually get to see my daily blog, which means you get to see my exact trades every day. So visit me at fusiontradinglive.com and fill out the information to join our live webinar, which has a lot more information. Watch our free videos, and also send me an email personally, and maybe we'll set up a time to talk, or send me an email for your how to develop proper trading plan. All right, well, thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in the trading room.